All right, what's good, y'all? I am currently. Is this on the right thing? I'm currently doing a lot of things at the same time, but I need to get this recording done. Uh, because I have more things to do. Um, so I'm gonna do a real quick sesh, probably like 20-30 minutes. Um, but yesterday, let me just show. Oops. So yesterday, um, when oh shoot, I'm hammering my system right now. Uh, oh, not really actually. Oh right, because the other system. Anyway, so I need to go to applications. Oh wait, I'm already in applications. Pico examples. Okay, so yesterday I got the key scan working. Um, but I figured out why everything wasn't working, and I really don't know why I did it this way, to be honest. But um, I found out that I don't I don't know if I should have assumed this or not, but the output of the pins are not 5 volts. So when we were um, pulsing the other side for if it was 5 volts or not, it was always turning up as 0 because it wasn't quite at 5 volts. And then I tested with 3.3, and that wasn't giving me the 5 volt read either. So maybe the threshold is just high. I'm not sure, but regardless, what I just did is I just took it. The quote unquote output part now is just a 5 volt rail that I connect to, and then I'll just check on the other side, because if the circuit is closed, then it'll give me 5 volts on the other side. So that's what I'm gonna do, because if I have actual switches, then they're always gonna be open until I close it anyway. So it's not like it really matters. Current's not gonna be going through there. So now what I need to do is I need to go through here and actually implement that key scan. But first, what I want to do is really figure out what everything is doing. Because what I can do is, I'm pretty sure in the actual reports, like, actually, can I pull it up? I had a really useful resource. USB, not the example. It was like a really good show of what the descriptors were like. Chapter 5. Oh, why can't I find it? Is it this? Yes, it's this. Okay, so if we go to the report descriptors. Oh, maybe it's not called the report descriptors in here. Endpoint? Interface. No, it's not that. Attributes. No, it's not that either. Where is it? String descriptors, maybe? Shows the format. String descriptor 0. The host should read the descriptor, determine what languages are available, if the language is supported, then reference. All subsequent strings take the following format. I don't think it's that. Maybe it's the endpoint. Max packet size. I'm not sure. Which one is the report descriptor? Because I know we configured. It should. Endpoint string. Setup packet, standard device request. Control transfers. Packet types, maybe? Token data packets. Right. So I think you could send multiple of these packets, but this data can be 8 bytes. And so currently what we send back, oh wait, why did I go in here? Yeah, what we're sending back is 1 key. We have 8. We have 8 bits, and then we have 6 bytes. But this first key code is how many bytes? I think I had to go to the tiny USB source code to figure out what the keys are. I should probably put that in reference to HID key A. There we are. So each hex is 4 bits, and then we have 8 bytes. So a byte is 8 bits, I think. So this will just be 1 byte. So we put in 1 byte. We can do a max of 6. And then we send the report. Yeah, so we should... I'm trying to think. Yeah, depending on what gets outputted from our read, which... Where's our read? Board button read? No, there's another function. HID task. So we do that, and then we send the HID report, which is button. This is 32 bits. We did 8 bits before, meaning that that gives us 4 potential keys, but that's not what I want. Actually, what I could do is do, what is it called, a bitmap? What is a bitmap in programming? Is a type of memory organization or image format to store digital image. Oh, that's not what I thought. Yeah, wasn't it referenced in here somewhere that we have a bitmap? Where's the bitmap? Yeah. I guess that has multiple definitions. Because we are definitely not setting images back and forth for HID. Well, I guess you could, but... Yeah, I'm going to assume that a bitmap is when you have like say we have 0, 1, 0, and the... oh my gosh. The first digit means something, the second digit means something else, the third digit means something else. So we have 32. So what we can do is in our read function, we can have 5. No, we can have, we would have 7 because we have 5 buttons and 1 encoder. Oh no, it'll be 8. A 1 encoder, which has a button and 2 directions that we can turn it. Right? So we would have 8 bytes here. Oop. Oh no. Oh, here we are. I just saw it. So we have 8 bytes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And then we could just set like these first 5 to be whatever, or to be the buttons, and then the last 3 to be the encoder. So then we can check it, be like, hey, how do we check this? So I think there's, no, we could check it, be like, okay, so we can do OX1, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and whatever the value is. if that, yes, because that will return something that is non-zero, but if it's something that, okay, I see. And then from that point on, we just have a big switch case. Wait, no, no, no. Could it be a switch case? I don't think so. But yeah, we would have a bunch of those statements. And then if that, then we have the corresponding button, I think. What else? Yeah, and then given that, we would add that to the report. So add to report. But the problem here is that we're sending back button. So this wouldn't even go here. This would go in send HID report. Actually, why didn't I just go to definition? It didn't work. Never mind. Okay. Yeah, and then we'd add that to that. The issue here is we have 6 key rollover, but this is defined in TUD. Is that in this yeah. Oh boy. So we take in the report ID and yeah, a key code of 6. 6 keys. Because I kind of want it. I mean, I think that's reasonable. In what world are you hitting all 5 buttons, turning it, turning the encoder one way, and clicking the button at the same time? Yeah, okay. That's not gonna happen. So we're gonna add all of those here. Oh, I lost it. I guess I deleted it, but okay. So let's go ahead and add that whole yap session to my notes, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish all this today to do, or I definitely know I'm not going to be able to. Oh, I actually bought my encoder today, and it should be coming in tomorrow, so we're good on that. Oops. I did this. Reports. Oh, I still need to do that. Be sure there's some form of debouncing. I also have to do that too. Okay. So I need to do that, but also when reading from, what is it called? Send, or yeah, when in send HID report, we need to check what buttons are pressed from the bitmap returned from our scan. Cool. So wait, let me check in on my, oh, it turned off. Okay, where are we at with this? It's still working on deleting that. Okay. All right. So now another thing is that what are my key codes that I'm desiring? Or actually, did I ever finish the map? I know I wrote it down somewhere. Also, why aren't these doing the thing? Is it working here? Okay. There's just something wrong with my LSP or whatever it's called. Coolio. Also, this should be at the top. Oh, I always forget that I haven't finished that. Okay, cool. All right, so we're given that. We need to actually create the bitmap. Create the bitmap. And then we want to decide. Actually, this is first. Decide what keys I want. And then figure out what the key codes for these keys are. All right. Okay, so let me, maybe it's in notes. Oh yeah, it's definitely in here. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What is the push gonna be? What is something? Because this mute and unmute can just be on the encoder. And then that gives us all of our sound stuff on the encoder, right? Then, oh, actually, now that I think about it, when we do this, is it like when we put a bunch of key codes as one, is it like modifiers to those? How do modifiers work in USB? Decouple shifted. There are key codes for the first 8 modifier keys, but it's not clear if these actually get included in the report. I'm not sure how my impression is that the flag bits indicate modifiers, but the modifier keys themselves also have key codes, hence why there's only one shift bit. In terms of doing, wait, so actually, you know how I could do this? Let's go to my QMK setup Um, Actually, no. I think this is in applications. Oh boy, I have to remember where this is. Keyboards. No. Key, is it Keep.io, Iris? Oh, they do have the Iris CE now. I have a Rev 8. Key map. So KC. I guess we could just make it one. And we could send all the modifiers with it. In case we have like a macro or something. Yeah, let's do that. But anyway, process play my Pomo timer. I'm still missing one. So we have skip, previous, we have mute and unmute. Oh, I want pause. Pause. Slash play. Music. Okay, cool. Cause I had that bound on my glorious what is it called? Moto O wireless to like the DPI button, but now it doesn't work. So I want to get that to work on this. And that gives us all of it, right? This is our 5. Right, cuz this we're going to need uh modifiers for, cuz that's Alt Shift X. But I also, this isn't just going to be suspending. Implement menu by this time. I have this thing that I've been too lazy to do where it'll bring up a menu instead of straight suspending it, and then it'll give me the options for shutdown, restart, all that stuff. Or should I say power off and reboot? So that gives us our 5. I'll probably change these later. I don't know how useful these will be, but it's good because one, learn how to use an encoder. 2, learn how to do macros. Same thing with this. And then these are just multimedia keys. I'm pretty sure they have key codes by themselves. So that will be included in this report. Right. So that will be that. I don't even remember why I came here. Oh yeah, what these keys were. So let's do. I might as well just get used to 2 spaces at this point, because everyone uses 2 spaces but me apparently. So USB key codes. Scan codes, is that the same thing? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Off rip. So let's take this down. Put this here. Untab this by 1. Never mind, I'm formatting it. There we go. Oops. So actually, so suspending will be, it would be is the keybind is Alt with shift plus X, and then this breakdown will be, what is alt? Right alt? I don't think it matters. So right alt is OX40. Wait, no, that's shift. No, yeah, it is alt. And then right shift is left shift, right shift is OX20. And then we have X, little x is at the bottom of this. Is actually, I'm saving this. I'm gonna put this in references. References. Key codes. All right. So X is, I was just had it. X is OX1B. Keyboard. Right. Brush free. Okay, so that's the breakdown for that. Multimedia was up here, right? No, those are the modifiers. All right, let me start from the top. Skip. Where is it? Oops. Wrong search. Where is skip? Why is it not showing it to me? Media next song. So this is key media next song is going to be OX EB. Coffee? What does that even mean? Left GUI. Okay. Previous is going to be key media next song. Forward, back. What was this? It was called next song, previous song. And then this is going to be OXEA. And then place as pause is key media play pause. And this is going to be OXE8. And then this is, I still need to make the bind for this. Volume up. Volume up. Actually, I'm not gonna write all that out. What is volume up? Key media volume up is volume up OXED. Key media volume down is going to be OXEE. And then what is the last one? Mute and unmute. Oh, okay. So mute, play pause. Well, Oh, they're separate. Okay, I think I want to use the keyboard one. And I think this will allow me to unmute as well, since it's the keyboard one. And that's usually how it works. So volume down is going to be 81. I don't know what the difference between these two are, but key volume down. This is volume up, which is 80. And then the rest of these should be, nope. Play pause, there should be a key for this too. Key pause. Why is there no... key pause? I guess. Do I have a pause key on here? Yeah, I'm gonna assume that's the same. No, it is not. That's a separate key? What does that even do? Oh, I gotta log into this VC. I wonder if this will let me do something. Alright, let's see if I can boot up something on this VC. I don't know how, but I've never seen this button in my life. Next to scroll lock. Alright, so let's say we go to like YouTube or something. What? Oh, I didn't type it right. And then if it loads, this thing takes forever. Oh, it's still doing stuff. Never mind. You get a pass. So then I type in something random because I just want a random video. I don't care. Okay, maybe not these because I have no clue what is in these videos. Okay, bro, what? Sure, random video or random music video. Oh, cool, the speaker's not working. Okay, so pause. Okay, so it doesn't do anything. And if I... Oops. Okay, that's not giving me anything either. Oh, yes it is. It's just slow. Okay. So, for the F keys... I guess we'll have to do media play pause. We can just keep it how it is. Yeah, that's cool. Alright. So, oops. Next song. Okay, and then that's it for those two. Alright, cool. So we have what the key codes are. How long? God dang, I take forever. Okay. I'll stop there. Because I do have to do, I didn't realize how long it's been. Okay. That's it for today. I'll probably work on it later though.